Hey guys, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about a question that thousands of people have asked me, and it is this: what do I think about the prosperity gospels? Well, I want to address this question by first saying that I don't believe that there's any such thing as the prosperity gospels. In fact, I believe that we were meant to be wealthy, but we don't even use God to become rich. God uses us to get rich. He uses us to enrich others. He uses us to bless other people. And so if you think that God wants you to be poor, that He wants you to be broke, that He wants you to live in poverty, that is the opposite of the gospels of Jesus Christ. If you think about the entire life of Jesus Christ, you will realize that He was never broke. He had every single thing He ever needed. And that's the same thing with you. You have everything you need in order to succeed. But you have to understand that you can manifest anything that you want. You see, Luke 12:31 says that if you put the kingdom of heaven first, you will have all things added unto your life. Not some things, not most things, but all things. And even if you think about the first miracles of Jesus Christ, He went to a wedding and He saw 6 water pots of water. Mary, His mother, asked Him to turn it into wine. Not only did He turn it into wine, but He turned it into the finest wine possible. Guys, that was 6 water pots, 20 to 30 gallons each, at least 100 gallons of the finest wine available for you. And there's so many other miracles. He fed 4,000. He fed 5,000. And there were still so many leftovers afterwards. What about that one time where He saw those broke fishermen fishing all night, couldn't find anything? And He told them, cast your net to the other side. What happened then? As soon as they pulled up the net, they had more fish than they can consume by themselves. Now obviously they either had to give it away or they had to sell it for a profit. You see, my friends, there are so many examples of God wanting us to be wealthy that are displayed within the Bible. Even if you read the Gospels in John 10:10, it says that Christ came to give us a life of abundance. Read the Psalms, read the epistles, read the whole entire Bible multiple times, and you will discover that God really wants us to be as wealthy as we are supposed to be. There is nothing special about not having any money at all. So anytime you believe that you need to say to others that money isn't important and that your job and status doesn't mean anything, I want you to realize that it really is. That your purpose is greater than you and that money is a tool to help you to get things done. With all that said, I want you to realize that money cannot control you. You see, if you put money first and money becomes your main goal, your main attraction over God, then you can't accomplish anything. But if you put God first and you understand how money works as that tool, then you will have every single thing that you ever wanted in your life. And the only reason why I'm saying this is because I want to be a testimony for you. You see, when I was growing up, I thought that Christians were supposed to be broke. I thought that if you wanted to follow God, that you had to be poor. But then I realized that you didn't have to be poor. I realized that you could become wealthy. I realized that God gives you all things if you put Him first. One of my favorite verses in the Bible is Mark 9:23. If thou canst believe, all things are possible to those that believeth. And that's exactly how I was able to transform my life from poverty to prosperity. So there you go, my friends. That's my message for you today. Do I believe that there is a prosperity gospel? No. But do I believe that God wants to prosper us through the gospel? Yes. So before I leave, I want you to remember this. We do not use God to become wealthy, but God uses us to become wealthy. He uses us to become rich. He uses us to help others, to explore our gifts and our talents and our skills and our abilities. And the more we give our wealth to Him, the more wealth He gives to us. That's how it always works, my friends. Keep planting seeds, and I promise you, you will keep on growing trees. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I look forward to your growth, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to seeing you in heaven. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Take care.